Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your privacy settings on Twitter. So let's get into it. First of all, launch the Twitter app on your mobile device. Tap your profile icon, which you can see on the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings and Support on the menu. Go to the option that says Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, choose Privacy and Safety. You will be redirected to the Twitter privacy settings page on your mobile. Here's a brief guide for each of these settings and what it means for your account if you choose to restrict them. Audience and tagging. This is where you can choose to make your Twitter account private or public. With a private account, only your followers will be able to see your posts. Additionally, you can control here who can tag you in their photos as well as prevent everyone else from tagging you. Your tweets. With this setting, you can mark your tweets as having potentially sensitive content. If you regularly post sensitive media, it's a good idea to toggle this one on to avoid being penalized by Twitter. Content you see. This is where you can manage what type of content you would like to see on your feed, such as topics and interests. Aside from that, you can also decide whether you would like to see posts that may contain sensitive media. Mute and block. Here, you can manage the accounts you've muted or blocked. You can also choose which notifications you would like to receive as well as mute words that you don't like to see on your feed. Direct messages. Choose who you want to receive direct messages from. Setting it to public will allow everyone to send you message requests. You can also decide whether you want to let people know you've seen their messages or not. Spaces. Don't want your followers to know what spaces you're listening to? You can disable them here. Discoverability and contacts. This is where you can control how others can find you as well as allow Twitter to sync address book contacts. Ads preferences. This lets you decide whether or not you want Twitter to personalize ads based on things such as your recent activity. Inferred identity. Here, you can manage your Twitter uses data regarding your activity outside the platform, such as websites you visit and your device information. Data sharing with business partners. You can choose to allow Twitter to share additional information about you with other companies. Location information. Here is where you can control how Twitter uses your location information to show contents that may be relevant to you. Note that you may have to check your device location settings and Twitter app permissions for this to work. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.